Hello everyone, this is Angela, Srishti, and Vishal, and this is our solution for the hackathon all about multimodal AI, Bank Conscious. Every day, bank users spend much more money than they had planned to spend, not because they are irresponsible, but because the entire payment experience is designed to remove friction. If you're thinking, I'm not that type of person, well, think again. Imagine PlayStation 5 was on sale and that sale only lasted for one day. Would you think about it? Would you purchase it? Well, we asked people here at the hackathon, and the vast majority of them replied, yes, I would immediately buy it. But that counts as an impulsive decision, and most people do not realize it. In fact, 40 to 80% of purchases are estimated to be not planned and planned right in the moment instead. So that classifies them as impulsive. And probably, if you're a normal human like me, 40 to 80% of your purchases are as well impulsive. It's not a moral failure, it is a design gap, a gap that we at Bank can solve. Bank Conscious is an app that is available online and on iOS. It involves 4 different types of data sources: audio, visual, time series, and geodata, which make our model multimodal. The audio part is about listening to your payment requests and stopping them via audio. Visual is enacted through reading receipts and capturing the content of these receipts, categorizing the moment in the transaction where the receipt happens. Then we have time series, where time series are tailored on capturing your personal spending history and creating an impulse risk rate tailored to your spending habits. Finally, the geodata is used to classify spending zones from past visits. A casino or a shopping mall scores very differently from a grocery run, for example. But how does it work concretely? Well, we have 6 different inputs, such as the velocity, the magnitude, the frequency, the time of the day, the geo risk, and the category, such as gaming, for instance. Velocity and magnitude maybe needs to be explained a little bit more. Velocity is how many purchases you're doing in a limited time frame, and magnitude versus baseline means, well, how big is the spike? How much expensive this item is compared to your previous purchases. But how do our 4 agents work together in the council? Well, let's make a concrete example. Imagine we are in the center of Amsterdam and we want to purchase a PS5 for 499 euros in a GameStop late at night, let's say 11 p.m. The Guardian is going to tell us that it's an impulse purchase because it's a large amount late at night in the center of Amsterdam, so in a risky zone, because it recognizes GameStop. Then the accountant is going to say that it's a discretionary entertainment, a non-essential item. The coach is going to tell us that, well, the vacation that we have planned to save for, it's gone. Those 400 euros are a full month of saving that we're using right now. And finally, the emergency council is just going to tell us, well, this is not going to save anybody's life. This is not a death or life situation emergency. Therefore, the entire council deliberates that there's the draft payment. It offers a 2-hour cooling off period.
Humans are messy with money. Bank Cautious isn't. Meet the sentinel that kills financial error. Scan receipt. Our orchestrator hears the intent and triggers the vision system instantly. Our multimodal agent doesn't just see a pixel. They extract item and taxes and link them into the bank transaction automatically. By analyzing the past spending and geolocation, it detects the high-risk zone and automatically triggers protection. Bank Cautious, because your bank should be your